Rim ditching, had a bunch of dirt stacked up there. Got the dozer cutting the 4-to-1 slope, building the pond. Big scoops with the big 336. That's a big scoop there. Captain Billy up there in the wetsuit. Gotta slip around here, it's real wet in here. Look at that deep mud, boys and girls. That is some deep mud there. Big off-road truck backing up there. Big load of topsoil on his back. We got the big 336 cat excavator in the ditch, digging the slope in the rim ditch to let all this nasty water drain out of there. That is a huge off-road truck. Look at it falling down in the back. And this big bucket on the excavator. Wow, cool, man. Look at that big, huge excavator. Up, he's dumping his load. Dumping his big load. Here he comes. It's all coming out. Whoosh. Here, that's a huge off-road truck. Any ordinary truck would be stuck in those deep holes and ruts there. That is massive there, man. Big, huge off-road truck. Look at that. 725C cat off-road truck. That is huge. Look at that deep water he's driving through. That's awesome. Look at that big truck taking off. That big huge load on his back. Wow. Deep water over there. Gonna loop around and back in. That is a massive off-road truck. Big, huge pile in his back. Look at him turning around. Got the other backhoe over there stacking dirt real high. He's backing up, backing up. He's really backing up. Deep and far in the mud. Look at our backhoe's bucket here. Hey, backhoe bucket. Look at that big load, guys. Wow, that thing's dumping out. The other backhoe's working. Here, we're gonna go forward a little bit. Oh man, we're cut out here. Wow, that's way down there. That's way down there. Here comes that off-road truck again. We gotta put some more dirt on his back. Here comes big load. Coming up for you, off-road truck. Big 725C off-road truck. Big off-road truck going with another big load of topsoil. There it goes. That's a huge truck. Look at that backhoe over there throwing that big pile of dirt up. That's huge, man. Whoa, where are you going, dump truck? Don't go way too fast. My goodness, he goes fast. That is a huge load. Wow, look at that. Look at the big backhoe over there stacking dirt. Look at that deep water down in there. Wow. That's a huge backhoe backing, dump truck backing up. Look at him. He's backing way up in there. Backhoe throwing dirt up. That's cool. Look at all that water we're going to dry up by making a rim ditch. All the water goes down the rim ditch to the pump. The pump sucks it out and the ground gets dry and we dig a big pond. Look at that big load he's dumping out. That's huge, man. He's putting his bed down before he gets uneven for safety. All the way down it goes. Look at that. Wow, that's cool. Huge off-road truck. Bronson really likes off-road trucks. Look, he's backing up with us. Backing up. Backing up. Backing up. The beep, beep, beep is for safety. Everybody needs a backup alarm to know where they're going to back into. That's that. Back up in the cab. The bucket and the off-road truck. Big backhoe 336E is over there building the berm for the slope. Got all the water running down to the rim ditch. That's a huge backhoe over there. Just putting some dirt here and there. Big backhoe. Bronson, you see that? Man, that is cool. Yeah, look at all that water running down the hill. It's gone. Okay, let's get back to work. Back in the cab. Hey, hey, hey. Look at that big dump, man. That's a massive pile there. Big backhoe digging over there. Bulldozer pushing over there. Got the big cat right here digging some strippings. Truck's backing up. Hey guys, this is what it looks like to look in the back of a big off-road truck. Look at the back of that. That's a big bed. That's a big backhoe over there too. It takes a big bucket to load that truck. That's an awesome look. Look at that big backhoe climbing the hill. Wow. Look at that. Wow. That was huge. Wow. Big, huge excavator climbing the hill. Wow. Now he's going to load the other dump truck. Look at that. Big scoops. Wow, how cool is that, kids? Everybody loves a big off-road truck. Big backhoe. Look at that big bucket full. Wow, look at that, guys. Big scoop. That's Big Scoop Backy. Backy Big Scoop. He's even got a grapple attachment hooked to it. Look at that. Look at that big cat backhoe. Go to work. And the little cat backhoe. He works too. Big one really works. He's super strong. Look how big that thing is. Wow. Big scoop backhoe. Look at that, man. It's massive. Here comes another off-road truck. Here he comes. We're really moving a lot of dirt over here, guys. Here comes an off-road dump truck. Here he comes. Run! Look at that big bucket. Whoa, some scraps and roots. Look at those big roots down there. Look at that big backhoe working there. Wow, here comes another off-road truck. Look at that hauling. He's really coming in fast, isn't he? Wow. Look at all that equipment working here. Wow, that's so cool. Okay, guys. Got to go back to loading him. Big scoops. Look at that. Gonna dump it in the back. Whoa, that was so cool. Look at the back of that.